Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Incredible India. In this video, I am explaining about email marketing. So don't waste the time, let's start the video. Email marketing is act of spending a commercial message typically to a group of people using email. In its broadcast sense, every email sent to a potential or current customer could be considered email marketing. It involves using email to send advertisement, request business or solicit sales or donations. Email marketing strategy commonly seek to achieve one or more of three primary objectives to build a loyalty, trust or brand awareness. The term usually refers to sending email message with the purpose of enhancing a merchant relationship with current or previous customer, encouraging customer loyalty and repeat business, acquiring new customer or convict current customer to purchase something in immediately, and sharing third-party ads. Email marketing has evolved rapidly alongside the technological growth of 21st century. Prior to this growth, when email was novelty to the majority of customers, email marketing was not an effective. In 1978, Gray Theory of Digital Equipment Corporation (DEC) sent out the first mass email to approximately 400 potential clients via a advanced research project agency network. He claimed that he resulted in $13 million worth of sales in DEC product and highlighted the potential of marketing through mass email. However, as email marketing developed as an effective means of direct communication in the 1990s, users increasingly began referring to it as spam and began blocking out content from email with filter and blocking program. In order to effectively communicate a message through email, marketer and develop a way purchasing content through the end user without being cut out by automatic filter and spam removing software. Historically, it has been difficult to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaign because the target market cannot be adequately defined. Email marketing carries the benefit of allowing marketers to identify return on investment and measure and improve efficiency. Email marketing allows marketers to seek feedback from users in real time and to monitor how effective their campaign is achieving market penetration, revealing a communication channel scope. At the same time, however, it also means the more personal nature of certain advertisement method, such as television advertisement, cannot be captured. Email marketing can be carried out through different types of email. Transitional email are usually triggered based on customer action with a company to be qualified as transition or relationship message. This communication primary purpose must to be facilitate, complete or confirm commercial transition that the recipient has previously agreed to enter into the sender. Along the few other narrow definition of transition messaging, triggered transition message include dropped basket message, password reset email, and purchase or order confirmation email. Order status email, reorder email, and email receipt. The primary purpose of transition mail is to be convey information regarding the action that triggered it. But due to high open rate, transition email are an opportunity to introduce or extend the email relationship with customer or subscriber to anticipate and answer question or the cross-sell or upsell product or sale. Direct email involves sending an email solely to communicate promotional messages. For example, a special offer or a product catalog. Companies usually collect a list of customer or prospect email addresses to send direct promotional message to, or they rent a list of email addresses from service company. Advantage: email marketing is properly with companies for several reasons. Email marketing is significantly cheaper and faster than traditional mail, mainly because with mail most of cost fall on receipt. Businesses and organizations who send a high volume of email can use as ESP, email service provider, to gather information about the behavior of recipient. The insightly provided by the customer response to email marketing help business and organization under the market use of customer behavior. Almost half of American internet users check or send email on typical day, with email delivered between 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. local time, outperforming those sent at other time in open and click rate. Disadvantage: as a mid 2016 email deliverability is still an issue for legitimate marketer. According to the report, legitimate email server average a deliver rate of 73% in US. 6% are filtered as spam and 22 were missing. This lag behind other countries. Australia deliver at 90%, Canada at 89%, Britain at 88%, France at 84%, Germany at 80%, and Brazil at 79%. Companies considering the use an email marketing program must make sure that their program does not violate spam laws such as United States Controlling as Affiliate on Non-Pornography and Marketing Act, the European Privacy and Electronic Communication Regulation 2003, or their Internet Service Provider Acceptable Use Policy. Australia. The Australia Spam Act 2003 is enforced by the Australian Communication and Media Authority, widely known as ACMA. The Act defines the terms unsubscribe function, make, must work from commercial message and give other information key. Canada anti-spam law went into effect on July 1, 2014. CASL require an explicit and implicit opt-in for user and maximum non-fees to RCA. United States. The CAN-SPAM Act of 2003 was passed by Congress as a direct response to the growing number of complaints over spam email. Congress determined that U.S. government can showing an increase in interest in a regular of commercial electronic mail nationally, that those who are sent commercial email should not be mislead recipient over the source of or content of them, and that as the recipient of such email have a right to decline them. The Act authority of $16,000 penalty per violation for spamming each individual recipient. However, it did not ban spam emailing override, but it improves law of using deflecting marketing method through heading with a material false and misleading. Thanks for watching my video. Those who are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel Incredible India and press bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.